Hello. Welcome back to DeepDownBooks. Take a deep breath. Find a quiet place. Let your shoulders relax. Can you hear it? The rain is tapping gently against the window. Outside, the city is moving fast. People are walking with umbrellas. Cars are passing through the water. Inside this room, it is quiet. There is a candle on the desk. There is a warm cup of coffee in my hand. And there is time. I am Lagertha. I am here with you. Today we slow down. Today we use our voice. The speaking wall. Many learners feel the same thing. They understand English. They can read. They can listen. But when it is time to speak, everything stops. The mind becomes quiet. The throat feels tight. This is not a problem. This is translation. The speaking wall is not strong. It is made of clouds, and clouds are easy to walk through. I will speak slowly. You will repeat with me. Follow my rhythm. Follow my breath. I am safe in this room. The rain does not bother me. I am ready to use my voice. I am letting go of fear. Part 1. From silence to speech. Silence is not your personality. Silence is a habit. Speaking is also a habit. You do not need perfect English. You need active English. I do not need to be perfect to be heard. I use the English I have today. My mouth is learning to move. I am moving from silence to speech. Part 2. The 4 keys. Key 1. Allow mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are useful. I value connection over perfection. My mistakes help me grow. I am proud of my effort. Key 2. Language chunks. Think in blocks. To be honest. As far as I know. By the way, how's it going? These blocks save energy. Key 3. The room narrator. Look around. The rain on the window. The candle on the desk. The steam from the coffee. The sound of my voice. Key 4. Repetition. I repeat to gain speed. My brain is finding shortcuts. I am becoming fluent. Urban daily shadowing. I need to wake up early. Where are my headphones? The coffee smells good. I am checking my messages. It is time to start the day. I am waiting for the subway. The train is crowded. Is this seat taken? I will get off here. Let's start the meeting. I will share my screen. That is a good point. Let's talk later. I feel calm. I am doing my best. I trust my voice. Story shadowing. There was a girl in a rainy city. She was afraid to speak. Lagertha said mistakes are just rain. The girl stepped outside. She spoke to people. The world was waiting. Closing. The rain is softer now. The city is quieter. You practiced today. You used your voice. I am a speaker of English. My voice has a place here. I am patient with myself. Thank you for practicing with me. This is DeepDownBooks. Goodbye for now.